In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to generate and share your financial reports efficiently. QuickBooks is a powerful tool that can make managing your business finances a breeze, and today, we're going to focus on accessing and sharing one of the most essential reports, the Profit and Loss Report. First, let's head over to your QuickBooks dashboard. If you have it bookmarked, you can click on the link directly. Otherwise, type QuickBooks Online into your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a menu on the left side. From here, navigate to the Reports section. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of standard reports that QuickBooks offers. In the search bar located at the top of the Reports section, type in Profit and Loss. This is a vital report as it provides a summary of your revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specific period, illustrating how profitable your business is. Once you see the Profit and Loss report in the search results, click on it to open. Now that you have your profit and loss report in front of you, you can customize the view to highlight particular sections that are most relevant to your interests. Look for the highlight option at the top of the report, which allows you to easily identify key data points. Once you've customized the report to your liking, the next step is sharing this important information. Look for the option that says Email Report. This is where you can send the report straight from QuickBooks to any email address you choose, making it easy to keep investors, accountants, or team members in the loop. Don't worry, QuickBooks keeps the formatting intact in the email so the recipients see exactly what you do. Enter the email address you wish to send the report to and add a personalized message if you'd like. Then hit Send Email. QuickBooks will take care of the rest, delivering the report directly to the recipient's inbox. After sending your email, if you prefer a hard copy of your profit and loss report, QuickBooks makes it simple to print. Look for the Print option, which is usually found alongside the Email Report feature. Click on Print, verify your printer settings, and print the document. With this function, you can easily keep physical records or have something tangible to review during meetings. Just like that, you've successfully accessed, customized, shared, and printed a key financial report in QuickBooks. Utilizing these tools not only helps in staying organized, but also ensures that all relevant stakeholders are well informed about the financial health of your business. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how you can make the most out of QuickBooks reporting features, and stay tuned for more insightful tips in the next video.